Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change newly downloaded apps and change or their location in iPhone. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then you will come in this page, and you have to do is go to home screen and app library. In this you will see now it's on app library only, so I want to do is add to home screen as well. Once I download any app, it will show on home screen and as well in app library. So once you click on the top add to home screen, so it's gonna be downloaded and it will show in home screen and also in app library. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.